Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. There are a few ways that you can add a domain name to your HostGator account, and in actual fact, I'm going to show you every one of those ways. So without further ado, let's climb into it. Let's go ahead and add a domain to our HostGator account. We're going to go down on the left hand side, you'll see domains, and of course you'll understand that there are quite a few options you can go about it. So first of all, we want to enter a domain name, and this is the option that you want to use if you don't yet own a domain. You want to purchase that domain and you want to use that domain in HostGator. So let's go ahead and just say Bob Shop. We're going to go and say search, and this will take us to the area where we can actually see if this domain is available. Now we can see bobshop.com is unavailable right over here. However, you can see that there are a few additional options with additional extensions, so we can go ahead and we can make a purchase of any one of these. Simply, all you'll have to do is add to cart and you'll then make the purchase. Another way of doing this is actually transferring a domain that you already own into HostGator. Okay, so if you say add a domain on the left hand side over here, you can transfer that domain. So you can automate your domain with the HostGator server. If you go to the right hand side, you can add as an external domain. This means you can manage your domain within HostGator, but the registrar stays the same. So if you purchase that domain from somewhere else, such as GoDaddy or Namecheap, then it'll still be owned by that server, but you'll be able to manage that domain in here. So if you go add, and you're going to just type it in over here. So let's just say it is Bob Shop. Let's click on add, and you're going to go, let's just put that .com in there, and let's go and say add. And of course you need to actually own this website, because you'll need to be able to get into the back house of this bobshop.com. And if you click on transfer in, you'll then have to go to that registrar and you'll have to change the settings so that you can have it added into HostGator.